Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones JLAB GOWORK. And the control what we need to use located at the right ear cup. At the bottom, near to the USB-C port and the LED light, we have power button. To call voice assistant, you need to press 2 times at the power button. So let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just wake up Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Also, these headphones haven't dedicated app, so we cannot use the application to customize controls. And this one is the only way to call your voice assistant. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!